boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, not in today's newspaper. Today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the edition of Saturday, March the 18th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 6140. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1s comes in O, between 2 1s comes in O, between 2 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And now, let me think. Yeah. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in the first row, in a row. Not allowed one of the rules. So here can be 1, this should be no. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. The first row, we still have 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, the 4th one, then we still have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. We have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, okay. Let me think. Overlooked. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Well, it's almost the same here. This row. Cannot compare the columns. Well, will be difficult. We don't have here double one here. We have no double one there. Well, it's not the same. So we need to compare the rows. Here, I believe we need to compare these two rows. Double O, do we have a double O here? This row and that row. Oh, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah, completed in 6 minutes. Only one time comparing. Yeah. Alright, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic with 4 stars. After this puzzle in the evening, I will do the samurai Sudoku. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.